Good morning, Mr. KK.
Ah, don't just wish me morning. Let's shake hands, young man. You have done your job well. Please sit. I could have done this negotiation myself. I could have sent Sudhanshu alone. Instead, I sent you. Do you know why? Because what you said the other day pinched KK a lot. Pricked me. And never ever forget that I have given you this job for Prabhakar's sake. But what is more important is that you made the most of this chance. You grabbed the bull by the horns. You passed with flying colors. You are an inner circle member of mine now. After Prabhakar's departure, I used to think, who would step into his shoes? Who would be as smart as him? And as loyal as well. One who KK can trust.
Sir, I think one prospers in life not by virtue, but his intelligence and hard work.
There is something special in you. I will discuss our future with you. I want to become the biggest businessman of this country. The biggest.
Sir, there is fun in accomplishing goals that are challenging enough. You please tell me.
Business and politics are very closely tied. Next year, a new party will form. The government and I need to develop friendly ties with them. The upcoming year will bring you great opportunities, my dear. Good. Had Prabhakar been here, he would have been overjoyed.
Thank you so much, Mr. KK. Mr. KK, I had to ask you something.
Yes, what is it?
Nenu, Mr. Nenu. What does this mean in Telugu?
Me too.
What?
I love you too.
I didn't understand.
You said, Ne Niku Premistananu, meaning, I love you. And so I replied, saying that I love you too.
Thank you, sir. Nenu, Premista Nenu.
What?
What does this mean?
I have no idea.
Tell me when the party is.
Today evening. And this will be the last time you will meet me before I get married. I've only invited my college friends. And one more thing. Please get Anushka along with you. She's a little upset with me. Tell her that I am really sorry.
It's Amit. It's Amit Diwan. He's saying he's sorry. What has happened, Amit? What did you tell her?
Hey, come on, nothing. What are you saying? I can never be audacious enough to misbehave with your sister. It was just a misunderstanding. Please get her along. I will apologize to her in front of you.
All right. I'll handle this. He's insisting me big time. Let's go. All my friends will be there. It'll be fun.
I don't want to go.
Anushka. What has happened? Anything serious?
You know what? I don't want to attend your wedding. Here you go. Your wedding card.
Let's attend Amit Dhawan's wedding.
Forget about him and his wedding too.
Hello? What has happened?
Karthik, I just don't want to go. I don't feel like it.
All right. It's fine if you're not willing. We'll not go there. Smile now
Thank you.
and never forget, no matter what, you are my lovely twin sister. Do you understand?
Of course. How can I forget that? Remember those 9 months we spent together in mom's womb?
Okay, bye. Take care.
Bye-bye.
Karthik,
Yes, Dad?
where are you going?
To attend a party, Dad. All my college friends are getting together, so
Oh, let us take a stroll around. Did you study history?
yes.
When Rome was reduced to ashes, then its king was busy playing his flute.
Did I do something?
No. That's what I repent. Siddhant has overstepped you and has come to KK. And he did the negotiations for the airline deal. What were you doing then? Parties. He is very sharp, you know. If you do not deal with him, then your problems will increase.
I will handle him, Dad. I'll not let you complain against me again. Promise.
Every person is different, Karthik. They deal with people in different ways. We will benefit from keeping such intelligent people with us. This is the reason I had kept Prabhakar with me. Siddhant has proved his worth. But it's your turn now. If Siddhant becomes Prabhakar for you, you will prosper in life big time. Mark KK's words. Go enjoy the party now. But please think about what KK said. Okay?
Sure, Dad.
Go.
Has Anushka left?
I don't know. Do you have some work with her?
No. Just like that. Should we also leave?
Okay, let's go. Oh my god. Mr. Karthik hasn't even signed on this.
Yeah, you get it signed by him. I'll wait for you.
But he has left. This is the problem, pal. I have to submit this at the company registrar's office tomorrow.
What are you doing, Mr. Sweetie? You should have checked it when you took the papers. We'll be passed a comment for no damn reason.
Yes, Siddhant, tell me.
Sorry, Karthik. Actually, the papers Mr. Sweetie had got to you to get signed, one of them hasn't been signed.
Oh, my mistake. I'm really sorry. God knows why I'm always lost in thoughts these days. Can I sign on it tomorrow morning?
Sorry, unfortunately, it's a little urgent. We have to submit it in the morning.
Oh, Siddhant, I can't come now. I'm just entering into a party. So, let's do this. Send Mr. Sweetie here. Or you come over. I'm sorry I'm asking you for this, but it will be a favor.
Okay, we both will be there. You please send me the address.
Sure. Thank you so much. Dad is right. It's all about handling people right. Yes, he got convinced to come over so easily. Nice guy. Hey,
What happened, pal?
Nothing. You take the papers along. We'll get it signed by Karthik and then leave for home.
All right. Is this the place you asked to come?
This is the address.
Hey, hi Siddhant. What a surprise. You have come without being invited and you're here before everyone else. I'm sorry, that's not what I meant, but I didn't invite you because I didn't think that you'd be able to make it. And by the way, where's Anushka?
She isn't here. And she won't even come to attend your party.
Then why are you here?
I called Siddhant here. There are some important documents that need to be signed, and I'm really thankful to Siddhant. Thank you, Siddhant. Amit, Siddhant was your classmate as well. Why didn't you invite him?
I made a mistake. Actually, the thing is, I have already apologized to Siddhant. Since you are here, you are not leaving Siddhant, or else I'll be accused of being partial.
Relax.
So, you stay here and I'll catch you in a while.
So, Siddhant, let's finish the work, then we can enjoy the party.
Sure.
Yeah. Let's go.
Let's go.
Done. Mr. Sweetie?
All right.
Siddhant, I want to talk to you about an important matter.
Tell me.
I wanted to...
I'll go to the washroom and come.
Siddhant, I wanted to apologize. I behaved rudely with you. And I should have understood that it would be so tough for you after Mr. Prabhakar's death. So, I just want to apologize. I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry for my behavior. Friends, great. Enjoy the party and take care of yourself. Take care.
Hi, Parag.
Anushka, where are you? Everyone has already arrived. When are you going to come?
Hold on. What are you talking about?
I'm talking about Amit Diwan's party. What else?
No, I won't be able to attend it. I've got lots of work to do. In fact, I'm still in the office.
But your employees are here. In fact, I even saw Karthik here. So your employees are here.
Which employee?
Siddhant.
Siddhant? What's he doing over there?
He is partying. What else would he do in a party? He's having fun.
Well, I'll inform you if I'll feel like attending it. Okay, bye.
Shall we go to Amit Devan's wedding?
Forget about him and his wedding too. Siddhant Sinha. Alright, if you can attend the party, even I can.
Where is Mr. Sweetie?
Hi Siddhant. It's been a long time.
Hey Nikhil, how are you?
So did Amit invite you as well?
I wouldn't attend the party, even if he had. I came because Karthik had some business to take care of. You can carry on and enjoy the party. Just don't spoil my mood.
Excuse me, guys. Important call. Hello? Yes, brother. China? But where are you? No, I'll take care of it. Don't worry. Work is important. Dad gave me an earful today. Yes, I'll take care of it. Don't worry. Bye. Yes. Amit? Amit, I have to leave. An important work came up.
Hey, what can be more important than
I
this,
know.
pal?
I guess this is a sign that we aren't kids anymore. We can't go on partying till the wee hours. When work beckons, we have to go.
Oh, come on, man.
No, congratulations. Bye-bye. Take care of yourself and take care of my friends.
Sure.
Bye.
Can I have a glass of water, please?
Oh wow, you are enjoying all alone? Have you forgotten me?
I'm not enjoying alone. Where were you?
Oh come on pal, I gave the slip to Mr. Karthik saying I was going to the washroom. But they really felt like doing it, so I did it.
You are impossible, Mr. Sweetie. Shall we leave?
Siddhant, are you enjoying?
We have to leave, Amit.
Hey, please wait. Meet my fiance. Just a moment. Neha? So, Siddhant, Neha, Siddhant. And this is...
Sweetie.
Hello. Oh, he is Siddhant, Anushka's friend.
Yes.
Didn't Anushka come?
Congratulations.
Thank you.
And from my side too, congratulations.
Thank you.
I think I should get going.
Have a drink and go.
No,
I insist, man. Please, otherwise I'll feel that you haven't forgiven me.
Mr. Siddhant, one should not refuse free liquor. Let's have a peg each.
Come on, Siddhant. Just one drink. The situation calls for it. What do you say?
all right. One drink. After that, we'll leave.
Sure.
What would you like to have, sir? Whiskey, vodka, rum, tequila, or gin?
Whatever you recommend.
Make a large one for me. Mr. Siddhant, you said so confidently that Anushka will not come to the party.
Shall we attend Amit Devan's wedding?
Forget about him and his wedding too.
I know her very well. She won't come.
Anushka. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
Please come. Please, please. Siddhant had said that you will not make it to the party, but you have come. By the way, didn't you tell Siddhant that you are attending this party?
And shall I remind you, your important work, your farewell party, where there were all your friends, correction, wealthy friends, were invited, and you did not even tell me. Why would she tell me? I'm nobody to her.
Even you didn't inform me that you were attending this party. Anyway, enjoy the party.
You too. Enjoy.
Another round?
Didn't you hear what Anushka just said? Let's enjoy it. Bartender, one more, okay? You better make it large this time.
Amit, won't you introduce me to your fiancée?
Yes, she's somewhere here. Please come. Neha. So here she is. Anushka, Neha, Anushka.
Hello.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
You guys look adorable together.
Thank you.
Value each other. Everybody is not so lucky.
It's been 3 hours. Today it's only love, not anger.
Hey Siddhant, it seems Anushka felt bad that you came to the party without even informing her. But why didn't you tell her that we came here regarding Mr. Karthik's work?
People should know to trust, sweetie. Even she has come to the party. And she did not tell me. The same happened that day too. Without telling me, she came to the party. Today she did the same. Today we came across each other in this party.
Let me tell you the truth, Siddhant. Anushka's farewell party is going on, but you weren't invited. She made a joke of your friendship.
Long time, Anushka. I think we are meeting today after your farewell party.
You are right. She's not been seen after that party.
Sorry, something urgent came up. I'll explain to you afterwards. Hurry up, Siddhant must be waiting. Guys, I need to go now. I'm leaving.
Where are you going?
It's important. I need to go.
Come on. This is our last time together. The entire class is here. Moreover, you're leaving for America. We don't know when we'll meet again. You just cannot go.
Don't even think of leaving the party. Come on. Come on, let's go.
Siddhant, that day, I had tried to leave early. But the situation was such that I couldn't come.
Finished your drink? I'll make another one for you.
Excuse me.
Hey, recognize me? Robbie. Hey Anushka, where are you going? The party has just started.
I have some important work to finish. I have to go now.
I need to have a word with you.
Tell me.
Actually, I like you.
Look, Robbie, I'm really sorry, but I don't like you.
But why don't you like me? What do I lack?
Listen, there's no problem with you. You're a really nice guy. It's just that you're not my type. And I have to go now.
Something's there.
Where?
I'll wipe it. Long time. How are you? Okay, listen.
Here you go, Siddhant.
Everyone, let's raise a toast. Here's to a happy married life. To Amit and Neha.
चेहरा मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ, थोड़े आंसू, थोड़ी यादें, थोड़ी चाहत, थोड़े वादे, मुझ में बाकी अब तलक, क्यों तेरे जज्बात है ये?
I'm really sorry. I'm too late, right?
It makes no difference if I wait for 4 hours. After all, my time has no value. And may I remind you of your important work? Your farewell party. Where all your friends, your rich friends were invited, but you did not even inform me.
साया बनके संग तेरे धूप में चलना, खुद से ही तारीफें तेरी रात भर करना। साया बनके संग तेरे धूप में चलना, खुद से ही तारीफें तेरी रात भर करना। भूलूं कैसे बीती बातें, ढूंढे तुझको भीगी आंखें, गूंजती कानों में अब तक बस तेरी आवाज है। ये प्यार नहीं तो क्या है, ये प्यार नहीं तो क्या है, ये प्यार नहीं तो क्या है, ये प्यार नहीं तो क्या है।
Hey Siddhant, I heard you bought a new car.
It belongs to the company.
Aren't you working in Anushka and Karthik's company?
Take it easy, Siddhant. You are not used to having liquor.
What are you guys trying to say? Don't be mean.
Sir, caviar.
Hey, give him samosas. Don't confuse him with caviar.
What's the problem with that?
What's going on, Siddhant? Why are they taking a dig at you?
They are rich, spoiled brats, sweetie. They know nothing but money. They won't understand like this.
I would have taken you with me, but I felt you will feel uncomfortable. I didn't take you to the party at that time because I knew this is what these people will do.
You were always the important one between us. But you just don't value me. You only think of me when you want the notes, or when you are hungry, you call me. But you want rich guys when you want to party. You have been fooling me for a long time in the name of friendship, you know. It's been so many years.
Do you really think rich people are heartless? Siddhant, I wanted to tell you something that day. Please, Siddhant, don't ruin this moment. I wanted to meet you alone, please.
तू मिले बस
I too wanted to say something, Anushka.
कुछ भी चाहूँ ना
I won't get mad today.
मैं तुझसे
It's only about love.
बस गैर सारा जहां तू मिले बस तू मिले और कुछ भी चाहूँ
Just because my dad works for your father, do you think I'm your servant? That's not the truth.
That's enough, Siddhant. I won't talk to you ever again. Never.
I don't know about you, whether you had something in mind or not, but I definitely had. But now I believe that you don't deserve it.
प्यार नहीं तो क्या है ये प्यार नहीं तो क्या है ये प्यार नहीं तो क्या है
Let's spin it again.
What are you guys doing?
We are playing Truth or Dare. Come on.
Are we still kids?
Hey, come on, play. Don't act like that. Come on, play.
You are lucky, Anushka. You got your turn first.
I don't want to play this game at all.
Oh, come on, Anushka. Don't be a spoiled sport, okay? You forgot. You used to be so loud when we were kids. Do you remember?
Looks like somebody has transformed her into a boring person in USA.
Okay. Neha, you tell her. And anyway, Anushka can't deny a newlywed bride.
Come on, Anushka. All your friends are here.
Okay. Tell me, what do I have to do?
Choose truth or dare. Wait. I've got a question for Anushka.
Hey, no. We have known you since we were kids. Not you. Neha, you ask her.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Anushka. Tell us something about your first love.
Oh.
Come on, Anushka. Tell us. Come on.
Oh, come on. Don't tell us that. You have never fallen in love.
So, have you even fallen in love with anyone or not?
There's nothing like that.
Guys, she doesn't have to tell us. So, alright. Instead of truth, dare. So, you'll have to do something, Anushka.
If it were US, she could have done striptease. Anushka, do it.
Okay, whatever it is, let's keep it within limits. Instead of doing striptease, have a drink, Anushka.
I don't want to do all that.
Come on.
Oh, come on, Anushka. Hey, you have to do something.
Anushka.
Come on, guys, come on.
Anushka!
Anushka.
Anushka!
Anushka. Come on, guys. Wow. Cheer Anushka. Anushka.
There. I have done it. I don't want to play this stupid game anymore.
Anushka.
Hey! Come on, Anushka. Are you still mad about what happened during college?
Robbie tried to kiss me.
And how do I know that you are telling the truth?
Siddhant, would I lie to you about something like that?
How would I know what is important for you and what is not? After all, such things are common among the posh crowd, right?
What do you mean by that?
I mean the kissing and everything. Things like morality, ethics, right, wrong is all for the middle class, right? And don't tell me that you haven't kissed a guy before.
Siddhant, my wife is calling me again and again. Shall we go now?
Let's go, Mr. Sweetie. We don't belong in a posh party anyway.
I have already apologized to you. What else do you want me to do? Shall I hold my ears like this? Please, let's be friends again.
No, Robbie. I don't want to befriend you. Just leave me alone.
Come on, Anushka, grow up. You just said we are not kids anymore.
Robbie, I already asked you. Just leave me alone. Siddhant! Will you please drop me home?
Don't you have a car?
Yes, I got one, but it's late at night, so I thought if you just drop me home.
It's us who are drunk, while you're getting scared. You came on your own, now leave on your own.
You have no sense of chivalry, do you?
The one who goes to party with her affluent friends without informing me. Why should I even show her my chivalry? Assume whatever you want to.
What are you doing, man? Let's give a lift to Miss Anushka.
You have spoken enough. I shall not come hereafter. Never! Stop me, Siddhant. Call my name and stop me. If I leave today, then you will never be able to call me back.
Anushka, stop please. I know I said a thing or two out of anger. But do I not deserve even one chance? Stop. Please return. If you leave today, perhaps I'll never be able to forget you.
I'll go get a car.
Bye.
Bye.
Leaving without meeting me?
But I thought you must be a little busy.
Hey, Siddhant. Please don't mind any of my words, okay? Please.
No, it's nothing like that. No such matter.
I wanted to tell you something. Hey, you are very lucky. Your friendship with Anushka is very real. That day, I passed a comment on you and Anushka. She tore and threw my wedding invitation card on my face.
I don't want to come to your wedding. Here you go. Here's your wedding card.
But I didn't feel bad at all. You know why? Because only you two have maintained childhood friendship. Rest are just for the sake of it. People just come and leave after drinking. I don't know if anyone will come to my wedding or not.
Even you didn't tell me.
Why would she tell me? Who am I to her?
Siddhant, the car's here. Come.
It was fun. You know, it's a different experience to be with old friends. You can take them for granted. But don't just vanish again, okay? Be in touch. By the way, Anushka, I'm really sorry. I didn't know. Karthik told me that Siddhant wasn't invited. Siddhant had come to get some papers signed. So he was leaving, but Amit and Neha stopped him. They insisted him to stop.
Even you didn't tell me that you're going to come here in the party. Anyway, enjoy the party.
But now don't scold your employee that why did he stay. Okay, see you around. We are stumbling upon each other. It seems the destiny is playing some games.
Robbie, I had asked you not to follow me, right?
Now shall I take your permission even go to the washroom? May I go to toilet, ma'am?
Please make way, I have to go.
Why are you running away from me today? Such a big punishment for a kiss. Although I didn't even kiss.
She asked you to make way. Why don't you listen? Can't you hear properly? You've been bothering her since childhood. Even today you are after her. Which part of the conversation is difficult to understand?
Listen, I don't want to talk to you, Siddhant.
Hey, what are you two doing? Hey, it's my wedding party tonight. Have some shame, okay? Hey, stop it.
If you say anything to Anushka ever again, I'll bury you right here.
I had thought you might have mended your ways. But you are still the same.
If a girl doesn't want to talk, then it means she doesn't want to talk. Is it that hard to understand? Is it that hard? It is due to boys like you that the girls of Delhi don't feel safe.
Watch your favorite dramas on DRM Drama and don't forget to subscribe.